Every time we go out without my kids, younger or older, my husband and I debate about what the expectation is for our older kids that are watching the younger kids. And now, keep in mind, before I tell you all this, my older kids are not paid to watch their younger siblings, like not in the sense of here's cash for your services. No. So his expectations are that they will go above and beyond and do extra chores, and the house should be spotless when we get home. And again, they're not paid. They're teenagers spending whatever day of the week at home watching their siblings. My take is everybody should be alive, everybody needs to be fed, kind of don't care what, and keep them entertained. Preferably no blood, needs stitches, or that's kind of it. So when I come home and the sink is full, there's a lot of stuff everywhere. There's, toys all over the living room and everywhere else, to be honest. I just look at that and go, okay, well, they got fed. Probably some stuff they shouldn't have. I probably don't have any chocolate chips left. Probably no whipped cream left in the can either. Probably all gone. But they played and they obviously entertained each other. I didn't get a text or a call going, Mom, we're hungry. We're starving. There's no food. We didn't cook anything. Mom, so-and-so hit so-and-so. They're beating each other up. We're bored and whatever else. I didn't get any of that. I'm for 6 hours trying to just wrap up Christmas shopping. And now it's Christmas Eve and I have cookies to make and all of the wrapping to do today because there's 6 kids. No, we have no presents under the tree right now. There's a 2-year-old. No, it'd be completely unwrapped by now. And I'm not cool enough to wrap fake ones. No, we need to clean up everything so that we can get going and be ready for tomorrow. I'm not really motivated. At all. Anybody else super impatient to pour the coffee water into the pot and 100% spill it every single time? 100% and make a mess every time. I'm going to take a coffee break minute to talk about epoxy floors. They are the worst thing ever. They are amazing for cleaning, but we will have just swept yesterday, and then today, it doesn't look like we did anything yesterday. Worst thing, especially when you are transferring from brick. Anybody ever experienced brick floors, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. They are a nightmare to sweep and mop. Epoxy floors are so much easier, but it's a reminder of how dirty your floors were before. Anybody else like to pretend that you have all of your matching pieces to the matching sets, the games for school stuff? We just pretend. Oh boy. Guess who finally woke up? Yes. Did you sleep good? Second cup. Yep. Changed my clothes. I was too hot and sweaty. We're getting there. Second coffee break. Both of you. Still nursing 2-year-olds. I feel you completely. I don't know how to stop. If anybody has any suggestions, please tell me. Said I don't know how. Another thing for Christmas Eve that we are doing today is making coffee liqueur. I'm gonna make them for my neighbors. Somebody suggested that I try it out, see if I like it. I'm actually kind of excited because I really like coffee, so I hope it turns out really good so that I just want to drink it. That's what I got for it. So I'm not gonna do regular sugar. I'm gonna do like the sugar substitutes. I don't do well with sugar in general. And then I'm gonna do white chocolate peppermint and see if that tastes any good, like be more festive. Got vanilla bean paste, and then I got Everclear, and then I got these cute little jars to put them in for the neighbors. See how it goes. Aries, you want to go on the trampoline? You want the bunny on the trampoline? They did not eat it all.
One of my neighbors that doesn't drink liquor, I decided to put together a little gift basket for them from goodies that I found at a store called World Market. This store has so many awesome options. I actually had to trim it back a little bit because it wasn't going to fit in the platter that I chose. And I chose that platter because it's the same color as her kitchen cabinets. She really likes that color green. After 3 or 4 times trying to get it how I wanted it to, I was finally able to start taping. Had to adjust a couple of times. I also used far more tape than I thought I was going to need. It makes sense now when you get those baskets from the store why they have so much tape on everything. But I got everything put together, and then I had some extra ribbon and some tinsel garland that I put on there just to make it a little bit more festive. I thought it turned out really cute in the end.
Ready to deliver.
Very last thing to do for the night, prepped for tomorrow. It was a really long day. Merry Christmas.
Like and subscribe to see more videos like this one.